There is one machine on this planet that UN leadership, desert warlords, wealthy oil tycoons, and hardcore off-roaders all agree on, and that is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser V8. But if you think you know everything about this bulletproof beast, stop right now. Because if you leave this video early, you will miss the single most important detail that every car owner must know. For decades, this fortress on wheels earned the reputation of being the most unkillable vehicle ever built. It was a beast capable of crossing the Sahara Desert, tackling Arctic tundras, and driving 500,000 miles without missing a single beat. But when Toyota made the controversial decision to officially kill off the V8 engine and replace it with a smaller, turbocharged V6 in the newer models, it triggered an absolute frenzy across the automotive world. Used Land Cruiser V8 prices exploded overnight, with decade-old models selling for more than their original sticker price. Everyone thought Toyota made a grave mistake by abandoning 8 cylinders. But what if I told you there is a dark, dirty secret hidden deep inside the Land Cruiser V8 that Toyota tried to keep quiet for years? A fatal design flaw that can instantly destroy this supposedly indestructible engine without warning. And we are going to reveal exactly what it is at the very end of this video. To understand why the Land Cruiser V8 became an immortal god, you have to look at how it was engineered. Unlike European luxury SUVs that are designed to last through a 3-year lease before falling apart, Toyota engineered the Land Cruiser with a mandatory 20-year service life requirement in the most punishing environments on Earth. Under the massive steel hood sat either the roaring 5.7-liter gasoline V8 or the monstrous 4.5-liter twin-turbo diesel V8. These engines were deliberately undertuned from the factory, meaning they produced smooth power without putting stress on components. Combined with a full body-on-frame chassis, heavy-duty solid rear axles, and an overbuilt 4-wheel drive transfer case, the V8 Land Cruiser was essentially a commercial-grade tank disguised as a family haul vehicle. It didn't matter if you flooded it with dirty fuel, drove it through 5 feet of mud, or pulled a massive trailer up a mountain in 120-degree heat. The V8 just kept humming along like nothing happened. This relentless durability created a massive cult following worldwide. In places like Australia, the Middle East, and the African outback, the Land Cruiser V8 isn't just a car. It is a vital tool for survival, where a breakdown means life or death. That is why when Toyota announced the discontinuation of the V8 engine in favor of eco-friendly V6 twin turbos, enthusiasts didn't just complain, they went on a massive buying spree. Clean, low-mileage V8 Land Cruisers instantly became financial assets that appreciated in value faster than luxury sports cars. Owners realized that while a modern V6 might offer slightly better fuel efficiency and faster 0 to 60 times, it simply cannot match the effortless, low RPM rumble and ironclad reliability of 8 cylinders. If you are loving this deep dive into the ultimate off-road icon, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like right now to help us bring you more uncensored automotive stories every single week. Now, the battle between old displacement and new tech is tricky. Many buyers assume that the older V8 is superior in every single metric, but the reality is much more complicated. The newer twin-turbo V6 produces significantly more horsepower and way more low-end torque while weighing over 400 pounds less, giving the newer chassis dramatically better handling and braking performance. Yet, true off-road purists refuse to trade their V8s because modern turbochargers and complex adaptronics introduce dozens of potential failure points. However, the legend of the V8's absolute invincibility isn't entirely true either, bringing us right back to that terrifying hidden flaw we teased earlier. On the 4.5-liter twin-turbo diesel V8, Toyota used a plastic oil filter housing cap that is notoriously prone to cracking during routine oil changes, as well as a fragile starter motor located directly inside the engine's valley underneath the intake manifold. When that starter fails, it creates a massive maintenance nightmare. Furthermore, when dust bypasses the factory airbox seal, dust particles score the cylinder walls, leading to massive oil consumption, loss of compression, and eventual total engine failure that costs over $20,000 to rebuild. It turns out that even the mighty Land Cruiser V8 has a mortal Achilles heel, proving that no king rules forever. And thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the very end.